day be bad when I'm with you? You're the only one who makes me laugh. So how can my day?
Staring out the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around and I never run the rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna plot a way for a comeback. We all need some time, and I promise you that. Promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while.
The portion of this video is sponsored to you by one and only Notion. So as you guys may have known, I love using Notion, and I would have given this advice even if it weren't sponsored by them, because this is what I use to keep my personal, academic, and work life all organized. And now that it is officially back to school season, I wanted to share with you guys my Notion template and how I use it for school. But for those who do not know yet, Notion is a free organization and note-taking app that will help you be more organized and be prepared for the upcoming academic year. Okay, so this is basically the student planner that I created for this academic year, and basically it just allows me to keep track of everything that is school related. So as you guys can see here, this is where I organize and keep track of all my assignments, and I just make sure that I have the due date set up so that I won't forget about it. And then there's also another view, so you can view it vertically if you want, and then just easily drag the assignment to its status. And then you can also click the assignment if you want to view more information about it. And then we also have the academic project page, which is where you can keep track of all your big projects. And then we also have the course page, so this is where you can keep track and manage all your courses. So you just need to put in the course name and basic information about that course, such as the professor email, and the schedule. You can also keep track of your finances, nutrition, and then goals. Honestly, there is so many ways on how you can use Notion, and that is why I highly encourage everyone to at least try Notion, because it will make your academic life 10 times better. So if you're interested, you can sign up using the link in the description box down below, and if you're interested with my Notion template, you can also get that in the description box down below as well. Again, thank you Notion for sponsoring today's video.
going to the Eras Tour.